Go to your Roblox sign in page and now click on username field, and here you will get this Passkeys option. Select the Passkey option and then you will be logged into your Roblox account without your password, just like this. Now let's see the second method to log into Roblox without password. This time we will use email me one-time code. So select this option and now enter here your email account, which email account associated with your Roblox account. Then click on send code and now go to your Gmail, and here you get this mail, your Roblox one-time login code. Open the mail and copy this one-time login code, paste here the 6-digit code and select the account, which account you want to log in, and then you will be logged into your Roblox account without your password, just like me. Now let's see the third method. If you are already logged in on another device, then here click on quick sign in and here you get this QR code. All you have to need, go to the other device where you are logged in. All you have to need, scan this QR code and then tap on confirm login, and then you will be logged in without your Roblox password, just like me.